The First Alert carbon monoxide alarm with temperature, digital display, and 10-year sealed battery helps you detect carbon monoxide with a sleek and stylish design. Did you know that approximately 50,000 people in the United States visit the emergency room each year due to accidental carbon monoxide poisoning? Yet more than 40% of American homes do not have a carbon monoxide alarm. Carbon monoxide is an invisible, odorless, tasteless, poisonous gas, giving it the name the silent killer. Sources of carbon monoxide can be any fuel-burning devices, such as your stove, furnace, water heater, and even your car. This alarm features an advanced electrochemical sensor that is optimal for detecting carbon monoxide. When carbon monoxide levels rise, the alarm will emit an 85 decibel siren that is designed to wake even the soundest of sleepers. On the front of the alarm, you'll find the backlit LED display. This display can show the ambient room temperature as well as the current carbon monoxide concentrations and recent peak CO levels in parts per million. In the event of a carbon monoxide incident, the data stored from the peak function can provide valuable information to emergency or hospital staff. The alarm is powered by a built-in 10-year lithium-ion battery, so you never need to worry about replacing the batteries for the life of the unit, and no wiring is required for installation. Unlike other carbon monoxide monitors that are designed to mount on the wall, this modern, compact model is intended to sit stylishly on any flat surface with its tabletop design. Additionally, mounting hardware is included if you wish to install this alarm on a wall. On the top of the unit, you'll find the single-button silence and test button. This alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. So where should I be installing carbon monoxide alarms? Carbon monoxide detectors should be installed on every level of your home and in every bedroom. Garages are also important in the event a car is left running. Contrary to a popular myth about carbon monoxide, these alarms do not need to be installed near the floor to be effective. Carbon monoxide is actually slightly lighter than air, and it diffuses throughout the room or house evenly. It is best to keep carbon monoxide alarms at least 10 to 15 feet away from any fuel-burning appliance, avoid humid areas such as bathrooms, leave out of direct sunlight, and avoid places where there's too much air circulation, such as near fans or vents. For added protection, combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarms are available. For more information, guides on installation, or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.